Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Roborock vacuum quieter. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who just got their Roborock vacuum. How do you actually make it quieter so it doesn't make so much noise? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to work this is that first you're going to enter your Roborock app, and then you're going to enter the device. Now, this may change depending on what model of Roborock vacuum that you have. But in order to make mine quieter, you're going to click on the vac and mop option on the bottom left hand corner. And as you can see under suction power, there's different modes. So you can cycle between these modes. And so with that, right now the suction power is set to max, therefore it is going to be the loudest. But if I set it to quiet, you'll see that the suction power is at its lowest, therefore it's going to be at its quietest. So make sure that your suction power is set to its quietest, just so it doesn't make so much noise, but you could actually go ahead and adjust this as you please. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make your Roborock vacuum quieter. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.